Question 2. The owner of a hotel is installing a patio around 3 sides of her pool as shown. The actual question is, which statements are true about the expression representing the area of the patio? So let's go through each of these choices, and obviously more than one can be true. The first one says the expression representing the area of the patio is a trinomial. This just means the answer has 3 terms. That's what we'll be looking for that choice. Choice 2, the expression representing the area of the patio has a constant term. That just means we have a term with no variable. So this could be +2 or -3, -7, just a number. The third choice, the expression representing the area of the patio has 4 terms. All right, that's pretty straightforward. Fifth choice, the expression representing the area of the patio is a cubic. So that means the biggest exponent in the problem, the degree of this polynomial, it will have an x to the third. There might be a number in front of the x to the third, and it obviously will have an x to the second or a regular x. But the biggest exponent in the problem has to be an exponent of 3. And then finally, the expression representing the area of the patio is a polynomial. This just means we have more than one term with our polynomial. So obviously, it could be a trinomial and a polynomial. Yeah, both those things could be true. Okay, so now let's go ahead and find the area of the patio. The area of the patio is going to be the area so the area of the larger rectangle, length times width, is going to be 3p multiplied by 2p squared plus 4p minus 6. And from that, we're going to subtract the area of the pool, which is just going to be 5 times p squared minus 3p plus 2. So let's distribute the 3p to the first parentheses. 3p times 2p is 6p to the third. 3p times positive 4p is 12p squared. 3p times negative 6 is negative 18p. Next, we're going to distribute the negative 5. I'm going to go and put that negative sign with the 5 and distribute it to the p squared. That's going to be negative 5p squared. Negative 5 times negative 3p is positive 15p, and negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. Now we're going to combine our like terms. The only like terms I see in this problem are 12p squared and negative 5p squared. Those will combine and give me 7p squared. And then I also see negative 18p and positive 15p. That gives me negative 18 plus 15 is negative 3p. Let's bring down the minus 10. Lead off with the 6p to the third. So this is our answer. So it's not the first choice because this has more than 3 terms. This has 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. The expression representing the area of the patio has a constant term. Yes, negative 10 is our constant term. So I'm going to check this box. Third choice, the expression representing the area of the patio has 4 terms. Yes, has 4 terms. We just said that. The expression representing the area of the patio is a cubic. Yes, because the biggest exponent in this problem is 3. And then finally, the expression representing the area of the patio is a polynomial. Yes, because it has more than one term. So everything but it being a trinomial, it has 4 terms. Usually if it has 4 terms or more, they'll just call this a polynomial with 4 terms. If there were 5 terms, it would be a polynomial of 5 terms.